Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 18.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party.
I am getting ready for work. I just did my hair and makeup. I am wearing my, I said cotton candy cane sweater because it's my last day that I could wear it, because tomorrow's Friday and we're having an ugly sweater contest at work. So I wanted to wear this to work one more time. So here we are. But I'm gonna make a coffee, I think, for breakfast this morning. I'm getting my cup and yeah, we're gonna have a good day. I hope you guys have a great, fabulous day. When you're watching this, it's gonna be Friday. So I hope you have a good day, but or any day you're watching this. But I'm gonna make my coffee. We're gonna head out the door and hopefully have a good day. We are baking today. For my friends at work and coworkers at work, I'm making boxes of just like different types of cookies. So I think I have like 3 or 4 that I'm gonna make. But that's gonna be my gift to my friends at work. Just a box of home-baked cookies. So that'll be fun to try and make those cookies today. I think Jalen's gonna help me. She might make a cookie. I told her, I was like, I think I'm making like 3, and then I told her that she can make, like, if she wants to, a cookie. So we'll see if she does, but I'm gonna run to the store after work and get all the ingredients that I need, and we're gonna have a whole baking extravaganza. So it should be fun. But yeah, I'm gonna make some coffee and then we're gonna head to work. All right, guys, we are off of work and we are headed to the grocery store to pick up some things for our baking extravaganza. So let's go grab some necessities. Okay, first we need a basket. I fear we need a basket. I feel like we can go straight to like the butter or the eggs. I think I need flour. So we're gonna go get some butter. That is essential. Okay, we found the butter. I'm gonna do the unsalted butter. Oops. Should I just do this? How many? 4 sticks. Actually, these ones are cheaper. The Kroger brand. So we'll get that. I also made a list because I will forget. And we just got butter. I need flaky salt, flour, peanut butter, lemon curd, chocolate chips, and baking soda. So let's go down the, ooh, is this lemon curd? Oh, perfect. I need lemon curd. Perfect. I love when I find it. I'm embarrassed to vlog in public. We need peanut butter. I need peanut butter, creamy. That'll do. Okay, we need some flour and flaky salt. Flaky salt is so superior. Ooh, we do need semi-sweet chocolate chips. And then flour. All right, guys, we've got the goods. Now let's go home and start our baking extravaganza. People are staring at me, it's fine. Let's go start our baking extravaganza. Got all the goods. We're having dinner. Jalen's here. Say hi, Jalen. Hi, Jalen.
Oh my God, Luis
Mom.
was up 9-3.
Mom, say hi to my Vlogmas.
Hi, Vlogmas.
So,
They're up 9-3.
so we're having chicken tortilla. What? Chicken tortilla soup. We're watching some volleyball, some college women's volleyball
Championships.
semifinals or championship.
No, it's called championships when you have semifinals and finals. So it's finals.
Finals. So we're watching the
Semifinals.
semifinals. College.
National.
National. Semifinals.
Stop repeating it!
So yeah, we're having dinner and then we're gonna start the baking. I am letting the eggs come to room temperature as well as the butter. And then I need to...
I need my eggs.
Oh, I have eggs.
Oh, these, okay.
How many eggs do you need?
How many do you need?
Not that many, probably like 5 total. Anyways, I'm gonna eat and then we're gonna get to baking. But yum.
You walking?
Play Justin Bieber Christmas album.
Sure. Maybe I'll go to the mistletoe on Spotify.
Get it right.
Get it right under the mistletoe. Okay, first we need some flour. Feel it? Oh,
Here's my phone. Let me get my phone.
ooh, that was almost perfect. There's 2 cups though. Okay, so the cookies I'm making are the brown butter chocolate chip cookies. I'm making peanut butter cookies, and I think I'm gonna make either these lemon curd ones or these crinkle cookies. Jalen is making a peppermint chocolate peppermint. My mom's gonna taste test them and tell us which one's the best. You know, granted, I am making 3, so Jalen really can perfect her one while I have 3 to focus on, so I don't know how.
How do you perfect a recipe?
By just making it perfect. I don't know. But we're gonna start making, baking, and I'll update you along the way. Browning the butter for my chocolate chip cookies. Oops, can't see. This is my favorite part of the chocolate chip cookies is browning the butter. So we're gonna do that.
You can never have too much sugar.
It could be too sweet. Okay. Update, I've made the dough of one of them. I didn't realize they had to chill in the fridge for 3 hours. Should have done my research a little better on that one.
Hey, go put in the freezer for a little bit.
For like an hour. But right now I'm making the brown butter ones. They are, I don't know, it's giving dry. Anyways, stressful. I'll just say that.
The book Big Ten? No. The brush is not Big Ten.
Okay, talk to you later. Okay, we are moved on to now my peanut butter cookie in the stand mixer. It's looking kind of questionable. Will be very. Baking's going good. Let me show you Jalen's. Jalen's actually look professional. Wow, she did the chocolate peppermint. They look so good. These just came out of the oven. These ones are cooling. They look really good. Haven't tasted them yet to verify that, but they look very delicious. So we're just gonna finish the peanut butter ones. And then, yeah, I'll update you guys in a bit. Okay, we are putting the chocolate chip cookies on the tray. Oh God. I kind of want them to be uniform, so I gotta do it. Oh gosh. Fell apart if you can't tell. Oh God. Oh gosh. It's getting dry a little bit. I don't know about these ones, you guys. Okay, throw it in the oven. Okay, Mom.
Trying to watch my figure. I can't be eating.
Just take a bite. Okay, don't
Okay.
find the warm. Hers is warmer than mine. I was waiting for her.
Mine might be a little doughy actually in the middle, so.
Are these disclaimers before we
Yes,
start?
they are.
Disclaimer: hers is warmer.
My mom
Don't let
is
that affect
test
you.
tasting both.
Would you like me to close my eyes and
Nope.
not guess which one's which?
No, because you can taste what is peppermint and
Okay.
what's not.
Mom, don't close your eyes.
She's really closing her
Open
eyes.
them.
So here's Jalen's. It's got a good little crunch. Oh, little crunchy, huh?
Let me try.
Yeah, let us pass the cookie around.
We gotta share the cookie?
Yeah. We got to
Share
share.
the,
I ain't never seen this on one of those baking shows.
share the cookie, Mom.
We gotta share a cookie. I'm feeling the peppermint.
Wait, we should have did the chocolate chip because now this is gonna linger.
How do we take
The
the taste
peppermint
out
makes
now?
your tooth wrong. It's like
Okay, here we go.
Wait. Okay.
fire.
Before you taste mine,
I'm supposed to rinse my mouth out with something?
I know this is a very like lingering taste, Jalen.
Okay.
I didn't ask her to eat that first.
This didn't come out quite like I wanted to.
Are we doing this way?
So
It's
just
good.
go ahead now.
Wait,
You
you
ready?
gotta rate it, no?
No, she's
Oh.
gonna read it after. She has to try both. Is it doughy?
What's wrong?
Is it doughy?
That's good. That's good.
Is it doughy?
That's good.
It's salty.
It's flaky salt.
Don't.
It's salty.
Why do you put salt on top?
It's a flaky salt.
Oh, that threw me off.
It's good.
Is it doughy?
I have a good
It's a little doughy. Can you tell me if it's doughy or not? Somebody.
It's doughy.
Okay.
But what were you trying to capture? The doughy. If you were looking for doughy, we got doughy.
Okay, rate them.
What's the scale?
1 to
10.
10.
Well,
10 being the best, 1 being the worst. And be honest.
Okay.
And I know you will.
But was there a criteria? Were you looking for doughy?
I wasn't looking for doughy. I'm not gonna lie.
Were you
I
looking for
wasn't looking for salt. It's supposed to be flaky salt, like a little
Oh.
nice little
Can
touch.
you warn a person?
My bad.
Okay. Okay. So,
Be honest. I know it's
be
not
honest.
great.
No, it's good. So if I had some milk right now,
She needs some milk.
Come here, get some.
okay.
Spit it out.
Okay.
1 out of 10.
Mom.
They're
Be
both.
honest.
They're both good. They're both
Okay.
good. They're both good.
Okay, so what?
Hers
which one's
needs
better?
cooked more.
What-
You can give her a number.
Give
to
it a-
say.
give me a
If it was
number.
cooked
Okay.
more, it'd be this.
I would give you yeah. So if I was looking
Struggling.
for a salty cookie,
I know it wasn't that salty.
Here it is.
okay. So I'm gonna give it because I think you're going for that savory cookie.
I wasn't going for that at all.
But I love it because I love chocolate chip
Okay,
cookies. So
what
I'm
do
gonna
you
give
rate
him- Go on, try. Hold on. Okay.
She never give me a rating, y'all. Just give me a rating.
Okay. 7 out of 10.
Wow.
7.
7 out of 10.
7 for a doughy
This
salty
one-
cookie?
This one right here, I'm giving this one 9 out of 10.
Wow. Okay.
No, you
Okay.
give her
You were just
7.
being nice.
100%.
7 is good. No, it's 7. Because it's like,
Okay, when
this
my
cookie, everyone loves chocolate chip.
when my peanut butter one comes out, you're gonna be shook.
Just don't put no salt.
No, so.
Okay. Okay, we're wrapping up the baking. We've been at it for a few hours now, but these are my favorite ones. These are the peanut butter dipped in dark chocolate. So the peanut butter cookies, I dipped them halfway in dark chocolate and then sprinkled these sprinkles on them. They're so pretty, so I'm letting them kind of cool. We'll taste test in a minute. But over here, we've got this assembly of all of the cookies I'm giving to my coworkers slash friends at work. So we've got the peppermint on the bottom, then we're doing the chocolate chip, and then on top is going to be the peanut butter. I'm just hoping that the flavors don't fuse together. Like I hope like the peppermint doesn't taste like the peanut butter. You know what I mean? I just hope they don't cross contaminate and start to taste like one another. But I think it's coming together very nicely. Yeah. I'm tired now. But I'll show you guys me trying the peanut butter ones. I want to wait till it cools. But I think those are going to be one of my best ones. I mean, they look profesh. Anyways, we're still watching some more college women's volleyball. Yeah, and we're just chilling. I think it's like, what time is it? 8 o'clock? Time check. 8:47. So, I'm tired. We've been at it since like, I got home from work at like 5, so. Crazy. Anyways, thought I'd give you an update. All right, I'm gonna try the peanut butter cookie. I also think I wish I got bigger tins. These ones I got from Target. I'll show you my situation. So I don't want the flavors to mix, so I use parchment paper to separate each layer, but it's not very aesthetically pleasing. Like, I want you to be able to see every cookie. So Jalen thought in the morning, like I could just, you know, just display them on top of each other because I think that's a good idea. So we're gonna do that. But let's try the peanut butter dipped cookie. I think this is gonna be, look how cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, cheers. I dipped it in dark chocolate. That is so good. That's my best cookie. Damn, this is my best cookie.
We didn't try it.
You guys said, you guys are both like, I don't want to try it, I'm too full.
Mom, try it.
Oh my goodness.
Take a bite and tell me what you think.
Just one bite. Small bite.
Jalen, you have to take a bite as well.
A small bite.
It's just a small bite. It's pretty good.
It's good.
Thank you. Jalen. Tell me what you, oh, don't drop it now. Tell me what you think. Be honest. That's a good cookie.
That is a good cookie.
Thank you.
Rob.
Thank you.
Did you find your good
Better than the chocolate chip. What'd you say?
The best.
Thank you. Thank you, Jalen. I appreciate that. Anyways,
Water though.
I know it is like sweet, but I think it's pretty good. They're so cute with the sprinkles, but I'm gonna clean everything up and then I need to go to bed. It's already 9 o'clock. I was past my bedtime. I had to like edit the vlog. You know my situation. So we're gonna clean it up and then we're gonna go to bed. I love how Jalen's telling everybody this information. Hi guys. Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog. I am exhausted. It is, oh there it is, 9:55. I'm tired. I haven't even started editing this vlog. And you guys know I like my routine of editing before the day tomorrow, so I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you come back tomorrow. It's gonna be a fun one tomorrow. Like, I'll let you come back to just discover what exactly is going down tomorrow, but it's my last day of work and I'm off until Christmas. So it should be a good vlog. I'm really excited. So I'll see you then. Love you guys so much. Bye.